Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
On March 27th, the price of XRP broke through its 3-month consolidation pattern, suggesting the commencement of a huge run-up. Investors may get on board this bandwagon and ride it to critical levels before taking gains. Given the current positive narrative that has emerged with Bitcoin, this prediction seems reasonable. Since the 21st of December 2021, the price of XRP has formed 3 lower lows and 2 higher lows, which when linked using trend lines resulted in the form of a symmetrical triangle. This pattern predicts a 46% upswing, which is calculated by adding the distance between the initial swing high and low to the breakout point. This approach also suggested that the price of XRP is likely to return to the $1.20 level. However, in order for this move to be viable, the bulls must maintain their position above the top trend line of the symmetrical triangle. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency must cut through the $1 psychological level and convert it to a support level. In such a scenario, the price of XRP might retest $1.20, which is the aim of the symmetrical triangle pattern, in the near future. If the purchasing pressure persists, XRP will make a run at the $1.61 barrier, increasing the entire run-up to 97%. While other cryptocurrencies have seen tremendous uptrends, XRP price seems to be gently but surely rising as well. If the near 100% forecast does not seem tempting, on-chain volume indicates that it is more than probable. Regardless of how bullish the forecast is for XRP, it is contingent on Bitcoin maintaining its current gains. Although the cryptocurrency has been less volatile and has not been as influenced by Bitcoin pullback, a huge flash collapse might change the directional bias for altcoin holders. But if the price of XRP falls below 69 cents, it will make a lower low and signal the conclusion of the bullish pennant formation. What do you think? Will XRP price make a bullish run? Also, it is possible that the Security and Exchange Commission against Ripple litigation may be resolved sooner than expected, and the majority of emails and notes relating to Hinman's speech will serve as the light at the end of the tunnel, according to one attorney involved in the case. Amicus curiae status, meaning friend of the court, was granted to John Deaton, an attorney who represents 65,000 XRP holders in the XRP litigation. He stated why the judge anticipated the decision to preserve her verdict on the Hinman speech emails equal a settlement. Also, apart from the 63 emails relating to the speech, there are 52 drafts of the crucial speech delivered by the former Security and Exchange Commission Director of Corporation Finance in 2018. During which he declared Ether and Bitcoin to be non-securities. And Judge Sarah Nett Byrne prior judgment mandating the disclosure of the emails, notes, and drafts has been upheld, and the plaintiff has indicated that they would appeal the decision to Magistrate Annalisa Torres, who will make the ultimate decision. The same may be said about the Estabrook notes, which are connected to a meeting between Alad Roisman, formerly of the Security and Exchange Commission, and Ripple Garlinghouse. So, why is the Security and Exchange Commission exerting so much effort in delaying the resolution of this matter for so long? For the simple reason that it would put a stop to the XRP litigation. According to John Deaton, the Security and Exchange Commission considers these records to be so important that they would prefer to achieve a settlement rather than give them over to Ripple. John Deaton quoted that, apparently, Roisman gave Garlinghouse the impression XRP was not considered a security. If the Estabrook notes support Garlinghouse testimony and must be produced, then it is game over. The Security and Exchange Commission will not, in my opinion, turn over these documents. Hence, if we get a ruling that they must be turned over, I believe the case settles within 60 to 90 days from that decision or possibly sooner. John Deaton reminded that Ripple lawyers informed the court very recently that they believe the Security and Exchange Commission could be concealing potentially evidence that Hinman himself or others may have analyzed XRP and concluded it is not a security. In other words, is XRP contained within one of the 52 unique drafts of the speech? Was it removed? If so, by who? If it was included, by who? Obviously, I do not know precisely what is in the 63 emails, 52 drafts, or any of the suggestions and comments that accompany them. but it is safe to say that it is helpful to Ripple and very damaging to the Security and Exchange Commission case. If XRP is contained within a draft or it was suggested by one or more of the staff to be included along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, game over. According to John Deaton, further background information has been provided, including the fact that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz met with Clayton and Hinman in August 2018 to plead with them to offer the same transparency for XRP that they did for Ethereum. At the very least, there was no agreement that XRP was a security. However, it is possible that certain individuals campaigned for the inclusion of XRP in the speech. In addition, do not forget that Garlinghouse met with Commissioner Roisman in November 2018 to discuss the lack of transparency around XRP. And when asked about the impending verdict by Judge Ned Byrne, which will determine whether the Estabrook notes from the Roisman meeting must be given over to Ripple, Deaton pointed out that the CEO of Ripple came away from the meeting feeling extremely optimistic about the outcome of the XRP case. About this, John Deaton said that, apparently, Roisman gave Garlinghouse the impression XRP was not considered a security. If the Estabrook notes support Garlinghouse testimony and must be produced, game over. John Deaton is positive that a court ruling in favor of producing the emails and notes will lead to settlement within 2 to 3 months or possibly sooner. Otherwise, there is a 50-50 chance for a settlement. Well, what do you have to say about the John Deaton view? Tell us in the comments. Furthermore, after receiving a negative reaction to a tweet sent by Ohio Republican Warren Davidson, Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen stressed that he is not pushing for the prohibition of Bitcoin. Larsen feels that completely switching to renewable energy is not a sustainable long-term option since the proof-of-work method just incentivizes the discovery of the lowest energy source in the first place. According to You Today, Larsen has joined up with Greenpeace USA in order to launch a $5 million advertising campaign that will target the Bitcoin energy guzzling consensus mechanism, which is currently under development. The Bitcoin community has reacted angrily to the announcement, claiming that the impending advertising campaign is a direct assault on the world's biggest cryptocurrency. Some of the advertisements will cast the blame on some of the most influential Bitcoin advocates, including former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. Larsen claims that he personally owns Bitcoin and that he wants the cryptocurrency to be successful in the future, which is why he is pushing for an extremely implausible code modification to be implemented. According to You Today, Larsen pushed authorities to penalize Bitcoiners during a podcast appearance in September, while praising Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin as a hero for his efforts to eliminate the proof-of-work consensus algorithm in the cryptocurrency. The billionaire thinks that after Ethereum converts to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, it would be difficult for Bitcoin to compete with the cryptocurrency in terms of market share. Following the completion of its much-anticipated update, the second largest cryptocurrency is projected to cut its energy use by 99.95%, according to predictions. As Larsen points out, the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States, Gary Gensler, is quite concerned about climate change, and large financial institutions will be hesitant to invest in Bitcoin because of the cryptocurrency excessive consumption. The co-founder of Ripple asserts that the corporation itself is not a participant in the campaign, emphasizing that it is his personal endeavor. Well, it does not seem like Larsen is supporting crypto banning. What do you think? https://u.today/ripple-co-founder-denies-advocating-for-banning- Bitcoin. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.